Nneka TV. Nneka TV.
Nneka TV. Nneka TV. Nneka TV. Nneka TV. Nneka TV. Nneka TV. Nneka TV. Nneka TV. Nneka TV. Nneka TV.
I can see myself with young ladies. That's why I'm so glad to be with my sugar mama and all that.
Yeah.
So where are we going to? Yeah. So you see we're going where?
I don't know what I really want. I think we should get something at the mall. What do you think?
At the mall. So what do you want to get? Sorry, excuse me, hold on. I think my phone is ringing.
Oh, okay.
Just 1 second. Hello?
Nneka TV.
What do I do everything for? He's here with another woman. What are you doing here with another woman? So upon all the money has been spending for you, you're not okay with it. So this is what you can do to me. I clothe you, I pay your rent, I pay for your medication, even the clothes you are wearing, I pay for it. What you could pay me back is bringing this thing in a public solo. Tell me to calm down. Don't tell me to calm down. You mean you have a sugar mommy? Don't touch me. I pay your bills, I pay even the clothes you are wearing, I give you. You know how much money I've invested in you?
Hold on. What's going on? Who is he?
Who is he?
Who are you?
I don't owe anybody any explanation. As long as you have money, money controls the world. I don't owe anybody any explanation. I have money and I spend my money the way I like. Baby, let's go.
I want to cost now. My sugar mommy that used to pay my house rent, buy me food, spend for me.
Everything you've been enjoying.
Look at what you cost.
You did not bother about that one. At your age, you still sugar mommy. I'm so ashamed of you. You're for bitch.
Hey!
Nneka TV. Nneka TV.
Nneka TV.
This kind of life this. The house she wants to buy for me, I miss her, the car, everything, even my house rent. What's the meaning of this? I end up any of this broke girl, this street girl that don't even have money. Oh my god, I just started over again. Now the time I don't reach.
Nneka TV. 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 Nneka TV.